Sunday marks the anniversary of when BC declared a public health emergency on unregulated drugs. And to stop drug use stigma, Trevor Tablotney organized a car rally in Richmond.
There's a lot of literature and a lot of studies around stigma and how it contributes to individuals hiding their substance use. That's why they're dying instead of getting out there and reaching out and going, trying to get some help.
Participants decorated their cars with signs, purple ribbons, and balloons. Tablotney drove a purple Mitsubishi 3000 GT, which was once the pride and joy of his late brother, Curtis Tablotney, who died at age 36 while using drugs at home playing video games. The flashy car is meant to be a conversation starter about how to use drugs safely and to prevent overdosing. It's been 8 years since the BC government declared a toxic drug crisis. As of April 2016, almost 15,000 people have died as a result of toxic drugs in the province. Toxic drugs are the #1 cause of death for people between age 10 and 59 in the province, claiming more lives than homicides and natural causes for that age group. And this anniversary is particularly important to these Richmond residents after hundreds of people protested a safe injection site in Richmond earlier this year. Even chanting at a Richmond City Hall meeting.
They don't really understand what's going on and that there is a lot of stigma. It's a health issue and it needs to be treated as such. We need to get people educated.
I think that a lot of the problem was there was a lot of misinformation spread into a certain community, and so I can kind of understand how a lot of people might have been very fearful and angry. But they were really protesting against something that wasn't actually happening. So, yeah, it was really unfortunate.
Tablotney is hoping this rally will encourage Richmond residents to stop condemning drug users and to allow for safe consumption in the city without judgment.
People do drugs. It's a part of the human experience that some people enjoy, and we need to come to terms with the fact that people do drugs. This whole theory that there's abstinence that needs to be required, at the end of the day, you just don't need to be so mean to the community around you.
In Richmond, Angela Bauer, City News.